Did I press? Okay, no, I pressed the right button this time. Hey, there we go. I can finally see myself. Something's weird. Mic check. Mic check. It's fine. Is it my headphone? No. Is it my headphone? Okay. This sounds better. Jeez. So finicky. Okay. Kind of getting sick of looking at the data sheet. SSD. Yeah, it's here. Okay. Think I need. I'm kind of stuck at the moment. Let's leave this open anyways. Maybe let's go to the flowchart. What would happen if we just followed this? Set max ratio, set display, and blah 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 blah. And yeah. Let's Google. Try and get some help. SSD1306 initialization. Got the hardware ready for today. I'm optimistic. I think we can turn the display on today. One can hope. What do I do? I'm kind of stuck. Have a look at the index. The index usually. Be nice to have some music. Oh, that's fine. Oh, this looks good. Instructions for setting up OLED display drivers. OLED display. Excuse me. And this is the one that I've got. It's a long one. Though it might be a bit smaller, but that's a problem for later. Reset pin. The fuck's lambda? No, I don't want the SPI. Oh, fuck. It's only the SPI. I square C. Set. Yeah, it's kind of better. Is it? Yeah. Mm. Okay, let's go to cloud. Maybe. Uh, okay. I mean, if you can't tell by now, I've never done this before. So I don't even know what the next step is. Like it's come drawing complete blank. But in some ways, I mean, that was the point of this, right? I wanted to learn how to do it. And maybe I should get a little bit more help. Would be nice. Okay, what do we want to know? Okay. This is my first time writing a driver. Can you help me with the steps that I would need to follow to initialize the display SSD1306 so that I can turn it on and what and display text. Yeah, let's go with that. Display steps. Power on the display and configuration. Configure communication. Set up your I2C. Usually, yeah, it is. Excuse me. So I need to write to this address these things. Yeah. Can you provide a sample? Is this TinyGo? No. Is it? No. Address. What is the address? Send commands, clear. See, this, I want to get, yeah, I think it's just a bit before this. If I can get to this stage, I think that'd be pretty good already. Would be nice to do it with someone who actually knows it. So what do they do with the address? In a commands, send commands. What is send commands? Yeah, I need to write it to the correct pin. Yeah, because it's the Pico sending, excuse me, it's through the Pico that I send data to the display. So yeah. So sending data over I square C microsig. Excuse me. Oh, let's just go to microsig. See what they've got. Where's the here? Hey, did they update it? No, still 0.13. Doesn't work with 0.14. Design. This repo contains the infrastructure of getting started in an embedded SIG project. Gets you to main. So I'm guessing, let's look at an example. The one that uses an I2C, Raspberry Pi. Okay. Changing system clocks, GPIO, UART. What was UART? I remember seeing it somewhere else. I2C. Oh, of course it's empty. Let me check here. Bus scan. Yeah. What does this do? I don't know what this is. The HAL. Okay, you can get the I2C that way. But do you have to specify which pin? Let's have a look. The GPIO, probably don't need it for this one. Log info. What's a baud rate? UART, TX pin, GPIO. Hang on, let me get the Raspberry Pi Pico pin diagram. Yep. Yep. So SDA, SCL. See, but they're both SPI and I2C. Oh, guess it doesn't matter. So yeah, I think on the display, like there is an SCL and an STA. Oh, it's the wrong order. So the second one is the clock. The first one is the data. Okay. Just connect that over. Clock. Fox data. Okay. This is connected. I'm curious. See what happens if I give it power. Oops, sorry. Hey, Stevani. You're probably the first person on the chat ever. So, hey, cheers. Thanks. How you doing, my man? I'm just trying to figure out how to get stuff, like how to show stuff on the display. Yeah, I'm just quite new to what's it called? Yeah, embedded stuff. Yeah, I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. It doesn't turn on. So I guess we gotta do a bit more. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to the example. I2C. Oh, okay. The SCL pin is GPIO 0. Okay, that much I know. And then the STA. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know what this means. I wonder if I need to do this. It looks kind of important. Alex data. Yeah. Damn, this is confusing. Skip over reserved address. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, so let's look at another example. Stone clock. Is this to SPI slave.zig? Yeah, I did read. Okay. The SPI. Yeah, no idea. No. Let's look at another one. Stepper UART echo. What is this? cat. PWM. What's PWM? No. RP 2040 only. I do remember seeing the display steps somewhere here. Micros SIG SSD1306. Oh, okay. They have a driver. Ooh, maybe I can have a look at the I2C stuff. Yeah, no, don't care about this. Defines the operation for SSD driver. Still IO. Nope. Yep, so I2C is supported. What does this mean? Datagram device. See it here too. MDF dot base dot what's MDF? Framework dot zig. Oh. Back display framework. MDF. Blah blah blah. Excuse me. Make timeout base. Display dot SSD. What is MDF? Yeah, can't find such. Go back. Display SSD. Datagram device. MDF.base.datagram device. Go back. framework. Okay, so what I'm looking for is datagram device. Oh, that's, what was the file? Base/datagram. Base/datagram. Pointer to the object implementing the driver. If the implementation requires no pointer, you can safely use undefined here. Read v. I do remember another example. Micro Zig SSD1306. Is it this one? Not sure. SQC. Yeah, this one looks, this one looks a lot more like what I've been reading. Address, control command, control data. Yeah. Command addressing, column addressing, page address. Yeah. I want to know like how he sends the address over. Also, doesn't really care about the clock that much. I2C num 0. Is it 0? Oh yeah, it is the first one. I2C 0. Yeah. Okay, that's convenient. Okay. Okay. This is good. So I want to see what he does with the address. Address. Yeah, I think this was the address of. Okay, for right it is, yeah, it's 3C. Where does that address go? Okay, it gets enum from int of that address. And that's A. What does he do with A? Oh, I to C 0. That's, yep. I square C 0, yep. And then you just, oh, you just write to it. Oh, okay. So if you want to initialize, you send this over. Okay, I can try that. Let me see. Good. I think I don't need. This was the LED one that I had before, just for just to check if it still works. Yeah, I think it does. Because the LED is still blinking. Let's go here. Excuse me. Let's get let's get these two. On top. I think we need the I square C. Let's go back to microsig. Samples. Square C. Oh, you can just check here. Square C is RP2040. Square C is RP SS2040. 2040 dot I square C. There's no such thing. I jump to definition. Say build. To build. Hang on. Gotta check the documentation. I think it was here. Yeah. I can run zig build. Let's sig out firmware. Yeah. So why can't I jump to definition? It's weird. Go here. Same. Just restart the LSP. Nope. Oh, okay. There we go. I don't know how that worked. I2C. Okay, just had to reset the LSP. Okay. Why can't I jump to square C? Let me check. I2C, yeah. Nothing. Okay, let's go here. I2C. Or no. It's weird. What? JL. Excuse me. Okay. Do I need? I think I have enough to get started. So start square C0 is I2C. It's weird because I don't know what's in there. Maybe let's check. Go back to the documentation. Drivers. Display. To see. But no. Maybe I can search. Oh, this has enough differences. No. Okay, experimental slash I square Z. Do remember seeing experimental somewhere. Is it here? No. I think it was in drivers. Ah, fuck. See. Yeah. Core, experimental, square C. Okay. Is it 2040? Yeah, it is. I'm guessing it is. I2C controller. Text pins. Okay. Gotta read, write. Write registers, start transfer, read registers. The pin configuration. This is used to optionally configure specific pins to be used with the chosen I2C. This makes sense only with microcontrollers supporting multiple pins for an I2C peripheral. Out of coffee. Okay. I2C. I wanted to like specify which I2C I wanted. Where did that go? But the thing is, I can't find it here. Where did it go? Not this one. Not this one either. Yeah. No. Oh, what's this? I2C controller. Index. Pins. How did you figure this out? Like, how do you know? It's weird. I mean, no weird, but like, how? What does happen? Go num 0. Get down. It's my cat. See this? Hang on. SB. No. There's no such thing. Can't even find the I2C to be fair. So microzig I2C. There is an I2C driver included. I2C. It's widely used for attaching low power peripherals. It seems like he's doing the same thing. C.num. Num of 0. What is enum from int? Line. Enum from int. Converts an integer to an enum value. The return type is inferred result type. Is it because it expects an enum? I2C dot address. GPIO 0 and 1, I'm guessing. GPIO 0 and 1. Data is 0. Okay, let's try this one. Underscore equals I2C 0 dot apply. What am I doing? Block config. Config is rp2040 dot block config. Then SCL is GPIO 0. Guess I need to get GPIO. Oh. Do remember getting GPIO from somewhere. Samples. Okay. RP2040. GPIO. Yeah, it's now complete. GPIO 0. SDA. GPIO. It's not data 0. This is 1. SCL pin. .num. No matching language servers. Why? I wonder it's because if I change the Zig version back to 30.13, start. Mason update. Tuple declarations cannot contain declarations. Line 1. Weird. And line 21. Tuple field here. Not sure what that means yet. We'll come back to that. Okay, I've done that. What is a baud rate? Baud rate refers to number of symbol or pulses transmitted per second. Okay, let's kind of get an idea. Then I would, yeah, baud rate equals 4,000. Yeah, I gotta fix the LSP. What is that? I don't know. I don't like the look of it. I'm just gonna. Bat. Okay. Mm. Oh, he has the init command here. Excuse me. Okay. I think I gotta fix my LSP. Don't know why that's broken. Can't be bothered to do it now. Probably do it later. I don't know. I feel like I'm getting somewhere, but although I still have to run it on the Pico. I guess I'll do it after I have the LSP fixed. Maybe I can do it now. The thing is, I'm not sure if I was able to get it working with 0.14. I'll do it later. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for today. Maybe, hopefully tomorrow I can get the display to show up. Alright, we'll find out tomorrow. Alright, I think that's it. See ya.